Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LP Public School, Gola, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class. As you know, your chapter capacitance is going on. So today I am going to explain the topic capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric slab. It means we have to find what is the value in change of capacitance of a capacitor if a dielectric slab is introduced between the plate. Okay, so our topic is that this is a parallel plate capacitor. This is the plate of parallel plate capacitor. As we know, in parallel plate capacitor there is two plates. One is positive charge and another plate which is placed at a short distance. D is opposite charge. It means this is negative charge plate. Let this plate consists capital plus Q charge and this plate consists minus Q charge. Okay, the density of this plate is plus sigma and density of this plate is minus sigma. So I hope you understand about this. This is the parallel plate capacitor. Separation between the plate is small d and area of each plate is capital A. Okay, so question is that in this case there is air between the plate and the capacitance C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D. This is the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor. So question is that if a dielectric slab, this is a thin slab of thickness T. This is T. Is introduced between the plate. Then we have to find what is the change in capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor. Okay, so now I am going to solve. So as you know, when air is only air between the plate, C epsilon naught A epsilon naught upon T. Okay, so the electric field between the plate in this situation, we can make another diagram. Plus Q minus Q when there is air. So electric field E naught between the plate. But when this slab is introduced, then in this region, between the plates, air is present in this region. It means E naught. It is the electric field intensity. But in slab, the electric field intensity is EP. Because this is positive charge plate and due to induction at this side of this electric slab, negative charge will introduce by induction, and the opposite side of this plate get positive charge due to induction. Okay, so it means In air, electric field is E, but when plate is introduced, then the plate is introduced, the electric field through this plate is E naught minus EP. E naught minus EP. This E naught due to positive Q and minus Q charge, and this EP, the charge induced at the outer side of this plates. So that's why the effect of electric field inside the plates is E naught minus EP, and it is E. Okay, so this is E equal to E naught minus EP. Now the electric potential difference for this system of plates. Electric potential difference between the plates V is given as E naught D minus P plus E P. So this is the value of electric potential difference between the plates. So V equal to E naught D minus P, and the value of E, this is electric field through this dielectric slab. So as you know, E naught upon E equal to ER. This is relative permittivity. The relative permittivity is equal to the ratio of electric field intensity through air upon electric field intensity through any medium. And this ER is known as K, permittivity of medium. It means you can write K equal to E naught upon E. So E equal to E naught upon K. So by putting the value of E, it is E naught upon K T. So this is the value of electric potential difference between the plate. Okay. And as you know, according to Gauss theorem, E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. This is surface charge density. This is known as surface charge density, and the value of surface charge density Q upon A epsilon naught. Q upon A epsilon naught. So by putting the value of E naught, let this is equation first. So by putting the value of E naught in equation first. Okay, so by putting the value V equal to, we can take common E naught equal to D minus P plus P upon K. So by putting the value of E naught, this is Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T plus P upon K. Right, this is equation second. As you know, the capacitance C is equal to Q upon V. C is equal to Q upon V. So by putting the value of electric potential from equation second, so this is Q equal to Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T plus P upon K. So Q is cancelled by Q. C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D minus T plus T upon K. So this is the value of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when a slab of the electric constant K introduced between the plate. Okay, so I hope you understand about what is the effect on capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when a dielectric slab introduced between them. So there is condition if a conducting slab is introduced between the plate. Okay, so what is the effect on capacitance of parallel plate capacitor if a conducting slab is introduced between the plate? So when there is conducting slab, so for a conducting slab, K equal to infinity, it means C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D minus P. So this is the formula for dielectric slab when a conducting of a capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when a conducting slab is introduced between them. So you see clearly when a conducting slab or dielectric slab is introduced between the plate, so capacitance will increase. Because as you know, C naught equal to A epsilon naught upon D, and this value D minus T is less than D. So when D minus T, A epsilon naught is divided by D minus T, it means this value C is greater than C naught. Okay, so we can increase the capacitance by introducing a dielectric slab or a conducting slab between the plates. Okay, so I hope you understand. A numerical is given on board. Now I am going to solve this numerical on this topic, so you have to see. Question is that a dielectric slab of thickness 1 centimeter and dielectric constant 5 is placed between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor. of plate area 0.01 meter square and the separation 2 centimeter. Calculate the change in capacity on introducing of dielectric slab. Okay, so in this question values are given. Thickness, it is T equal to 1 centimeter. This is the thickness. Let this is plates and this is the slab. So thickness of this plate is 1 centimeter. Okay, and K, dielectric constant of this slab is 5. It is given, and the area is 0.01 meter square, and the separation, it means D. What is the value of D? Is 2 centimeter. So we have to find what is the change in capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor. So this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 when centimeter convert into meter, and this is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, so I hope you understand. So first we have to find capacitance in absence of dielectric slab. When there is no dielectric slab between plate, it means there is air between the plate. So as you know the formula, A epsilon naught upon D. So what is area? 0.01, and the value of epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, and value of D is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so by removing this point, this will become 100, and 100 you can write 10 to the power 2. Okay, so this become 1. So when 8.85 divided by 2, 4.425, and this is minus 2 and this is plus 2, so 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Farad is the unit of capacitance. So this is the value of capacitance when there is no slab between the plates. So if the slab is introduced between the plates, so what is the change in capacitance of parallel plate capacitor? So as you know formula, C is equal to A epsilon naught, C is equal to A epsilon naught D minus T, D minus T 1 minus 1 upon K. This is the formula for capacitance when dielectric slab is introduced between the plates. So C equal to, what is the value of A? 0.01, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 upon, this is thickness D, 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, and 1 into 10 to the power minus 2, one minus 1 upon 5. So we have to solve it and we can find the answer. So C is equal to 0.01 8.85 10 to the power minus 12 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 5 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, so C is equal to 0.01 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 upon 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 1 10 to the power minus 2 4 upon 5. This will become 4 upon 5. Okay, so C is equal to 0.01 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 upon 10 to the power minus 2 common, so 2 minus 4 upon 5. So C is equal to 0.01 8.85 10 to the power minus 12 upon 10 to the power minus 2 10 after 10 minus 4 upon 5. So C is equal to 0.01 8.85 10 to the power minus 12 upon 6. 10 minus 4 6 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. When this point is removed, 10 to the power 2, so this minus 2 plus 2 cancel. So we have to solve this value and we can find the answer. Okay, so C is equal to, when 5 is multiplied, 5 5 is 25, 40, 42 and 44 upon 6 into 10 to the power minus 12. And when this 44.25 is divided by 6, so what will come? So this will come about 7 6 42 7.3 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Okay, so what is the value without dielectric slab? The value is 4.4 10 to the power minus 12. But when dielectric slab is introduced, the value becomes 7.3 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Okay, so I think you understand, when a dielectric slab is introduced between the plate, we can increase the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, so thank you very much. In my next video I will explain the next topic. Thank you very much.